In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly find and replace text in Microsoft Word. This feature is extremely useful when you need to update names or correct repeated mistakes or change words throughout an entire document. So first things first, I'm going to open our document. So we're going to choose the one we have been working on all along. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a few words in it. So I'm going to add randomly the word 2023. Let me copy this. Then I'll just paste it randomly in the document. I'm going to put it here as well. I'm going to put it there as well. So I'll just add the word 2023 randomly in the middle of our document anywhere. So there are basically two easy ways to access the find and replace in Microsoft Word. So the first option is we are going to be here in home. Make sure you are here in home. And then we shall go into the editing group. You can see this. There is the editing group. And then we are going to do find. You can see find is here. We're going to try to find. And then what are we finding? Let's find the word 2023 that we added. You can see it will show us the 2023 right here. So now what we are going to do is, after finding that, we're going to click on replace. So we're going to say 2023, let us replace it with 2026. And then you can just replace one of it, or you just have to click replace all. And then you can see all done. We made 5 replacements, and then we click OK. And then you cross. So now you can see all our 2023s that we have written has been changed to 2026. So that was option 1. Option 2, we use the shortcut, the keyboard shortcut. So for example, now we have 2026. So if I want to change it back to 2020 or to another year, I'm going to press Ctrl H. So if I press Ctrl H, it's going to just take me straight to replace. So what are we finding here? We are going to find 2026, and then we're going to replace it with 2024. And then I'm going to click replace. So now here it's going to replace the first one. So if we click replace all, it will replace all of them. All done. We made 5 replacements. Okay. And then to just use Ctrl F to use find alone, you have to press Ctrl F. It will bring you here to 5. So when you try to find 2024, it will show us all the 2024s where they are written in the document. They are highlighted. And then we press Ctrl H, which brings us back to the pop-up. You see, if we do 2024, then you can also do here replace 2024. Let's replace it with 2025. Replace all. Okay, we have made all the replacements. Or you can now replace all the word. You can just highlight this word and then you press Ctrl H. So wherever there is the word Ipsum, we're going to replace it with 2026. And then we click on replace all. And then to ask you, do you want to continue searching from the beginning? You can do yes or no or yes. And then all done. Okay. So now when we search the word 2026, you see it's been replaced. The word Ipsum has been replaced with 2026. So Microsoft Word will automatically update all matching text and display messages showing how many replacements you have made. I think we saw that already. And then we can also use advanced search. So from here, we can just go here. You go to advanced find. You can see it. And then you can match the case to distinguish between uppercase and lowercase 5. Or you can just find all words only. Then you go to replace. And then you can actually search down from here if you want to. You can see the previous changes here. Then you can go to find next, find next. Now with the find next, it will basically locate the first occurrence. And this method will give you full control over every replacement that you've done. And that is it. So now you know how to quickly find and replace text in Microsoft Word. And this tool can basically save you a lot of time, especially if you're trying to change something real quick in the entire document. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.